The trial of Thomas Cashman continues today for the murder of Olivia Pratt-Korbel. Thomas Cashman denies all charges, including the attempted murder of Joseph Nee. A statement was read out to the court today by a witness called Maher, who made a statement on August 27, 2022. The statement that was read out said, "I went to bed at 9:30 because I was feeling unwell. Our bedroom is at the front of the house and has a large window overlooking the road outside. I saw two males outside. One appeared to be chased by the other. They moved from left to right from my view. The male being chased was wearing a light-coloured top. I heard him saying, 'Please, lad, please.' Describing the gunman, Adele said he was wearing all black from head to toe. He was running with an arm stretched out in front of him. Seconds later, I heard another two loud noises followed by the worst screaming I have ever heard in my life. I think it was a woman screaming hysterically, out of control. I knew something bad had happened. We all just stood around in shock. I could hear Chloe on the phone with someone. She sounded distraught. She was saying, 'Where are they? Where are they? She's dying.' She said her family were too terrified to go out. The male just appeared as a black figure. I couldn't describe him in any more detail." The trial continues. This time a statement was read out on behalf of David Maher, the father of Danielle Maher. The statement is dated August 27th, 2022. "I was at home with my wife and daughter," he said. "I decided to go up early too. We ended up laying in bed chatting. I heard one bang which I thought was firework, and another two bangs in quick succession. I said to my wife, 'That's not right, that,' and got out of bed to look out the window. I saw two males running from left to right alongside Kings Heath Avenue. He said the male in the front was glancing behind him, running at full pelt, desperate to get away. I could hear him say, 'Don't, lad, please.' The male chasing the first male followed exactly where he went. The male chasing held his arm out. He looked like he was taking aim at the other male as his arm moved bobbing up and down as if it was to reposition. The chasing male did not say anything. He just kept following the first male. A few seconds later, I heard screaming nearby. I then heard another muffled pop, followed by two more. After this, I heard really loud screaming. The screaming was terrible. People were distraught, and there was a lot of commotion. He said the chasing male ran away towards Dovecot Labour Club and was quickly out of sight. He said there was a commotion outside, but the family remained inside. He said the man with the gun were all black. He said there was no skin to show, and he couldn't see his hands, so he assumed he wore gloves. He was of slim build, and he said he would not recognise him again. The trial continues. Another statement was given out in court yesterday, on the 9th of March 2023, by Danielle Maher, the daughter of the couple. The statement is dated August 27th, 2022. She says, "I heard 3 shots from outside, which I thought were fireworks. I went into my mum and dad's room. I heard a few more shots. I could hear screaming. They sounded like they were from both male and female voices. My parents looked shocked. My mum was panicking. I could see one male slumped on the floor in the road. The male was not really moving. He seemed like he had been hurt. He was the only person I could see. The screaming seemed to be coming from the right-hand side, a few doors down. I heard the man shouting, "Timmy" or "Tommy." There was no one else around the area. It all got too much. I put my hands over my ears, moved away from the window, and went downstairs with my parents. The trial continues.